Hello Queenites, welcome to today's video. So today in this video we are going to create a beautiful and mesmerizing Valentine's look. To be honest, I don't know what I am going to create, but I feel that it is going to be something that's classy, something that's wearable, and something that's elegant at the same time. So let's get started with the video already. I have an important message for you, and that is that please fall in love with yourself before you fall in love with someone else. And yeah, have a happy Valentine's Day. Let's get on with the video. So for the eye base, a lot of people love to use eye primers. However, not everyone can afford them. And that is the reason why I have a quick alternative for you, and that is to use your own foundation that you're gonna apply on your face all over your eyelid. And we do that so that we can have a blank canvas to work on. So just dab your foundation, swipe around the eyelid area, cover the entire eyelid area, and just let it sit there. Don't open your eyes for a good 1 to 2 minutes. So this is going to create that blank canvas effect that we need to work with. It is going to be beautiful, so just trust the process. Trust me, it is going to work out perfect. While that is going to set, I am quickly gonna do my eyebrows. So I hope you remember from my eyebrows video that we first draw the stencil. So as I have rounded eyebrows, I love to arc them out because I feel that arched eyebrows look better on me. So I'm quickly going to draw the stencil, and I'm not filling it in. First I'll draw the stencil, and then I'll use individual stroke pattern to fill this in. Now that the eye primer is set, I am going to take some pink eyeshadow on a fluffy brush and work in circular motions all around my eye area, while I am going to place the most pigmented part on the area right on my eyebrow bone. So just take your finger and drag it in the place where you feel your bone. That's where you need to place the most of the product, and with the remainder product on the brush, that is, you're not going to take any more product, just swirl it in circular motions. So this is going to create a really beautiful and blended eye look. The target that we are going for is to create something that is seamless, well blended, and yet looks effortless, to say the least. I hope you can see that this is the area where you can see the most product, while at the rest of the eye area you can see that it is well blended. You cannot distinguish from where it starts and from where it ends. So this is what we want to do. Now this is something you're gonna love. We are taking some pink glittery eyeshadow, and we are going to place it on the inner corner and then drag it out. So the most product lies on the inner corner, and we are just swiping it out to the rest of our eye. So the maximum product is in our inner corner, and we're just swiping it out. Look how beautiful that looks. And now comes probably the most magical part of this video. So instead of wasting your money trying to buy a red or a maroon colored eyeliner, go for a matte lipstick. Use your matte lipstick with a brush. Try to get something that is angled or that is pointed, so that you have something to create an eyeliner with. You could also use an old eyeliner brush. You could just clean it out with some makeup wipe or some makeup remover, and then use it to create this eye look. So I am lightly putting some of my lipstick on this. It's wet. The reason why we use a matte lipstick is so that it stays put on the place where we have placed it. If we had to use any other lipstick, it would actually mess up our whole eye look and it would make us look worse than we had thought. Now it's time for some mandatory mascara, because without it, the eye look is incomplete. Quick tip for you all is to apply your mascara once and then let it dry for a quick minute or two and then reapply it over again. You could do it 3 to 4 times. I guess around 4th time or the 5th time it does get clumpy, so only do it 2 to 3 times, I would suggest. Yeah, that looks way better. Now it's time to contour our face, because I feel that when contour is below the foundation, that looks way more natural and that looks way more blended. So we are going to contour first and then we are going to apply our foundation. For if we feel that we still need any more contouring, we would apply some bronzer on the top. And if you do not have any powder to begin with, because we are using powder contour, if you do not have any powder for your contour, then you could use any brown or gray colored eyeshadow that you have. I always like to layer brown and grays together because I feel that provides a more cuter, because I feel that provides a more natural look, as the natural shadows are in the tones of browns and grays and not just the browns. So always mix them together and then apply it on your face. Also use your finger to lightly blend it so that there are no harsh lines left on your face. You don't have to blend it completely, just a little bit, so that there are lesser harsh lines on your face. That's about it. And now it's finally time for us to apply our foundation. The reason why we do the eye first and then apply foundation is because we don't want any fallout on our foundation, because that would completely ruin our look, and that is the reason why we all tend to apply the eye look first and then we hop onto the foundation part. You could use a sponge, you could use a brush, but I feel that it's better off with my hands, because through this I could control the foundation. I don't want a lot of foundation on my face, and I feel that with my fingers I am able to control it better. So do what works for you and just enjoy the process, because that is what it is all about. Enjoying the process of creating a mesmerizing look that is going to make you feel powerful and beautiful. So I am going to use a bronzer to give more definition to my face. And also I would love to point this out to you, that please let your foundation rest on your face, let it get dried, or else if you start applying product before it has dried up, then you are going to land up with a patchy looking look. So please just give it some time and then hop on to the next part. And now we are going to overline our lips. And in case you haven't checked it out already, please do go to my channel and check out the lip overlining tutorial, because that is going to help you here. It is a quick 1-minute video. I have posted a longer version as well and the shorter one as well, so you could go check that out. That is going to help you here. So we are overlining our lips so that we can apply the lipstick on top of it. And now I'm using the same lipstick that I used for the eyeliner on my lips. And now just a tiny dab of blush to bring life back on our face. That's it. So yeah, this concludes our look. Let me know how you liked it. Do you like it? What is it that you didn't like? What is it that you want to see in the near future? And I would love to read your comments. Thank you and have a great day ahead. And yep, happy Valentine's Day to you. You are your own Valentine. Fall in love with yourself before you fall in love with someone else.